Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management. Today in our Preventive Maintenance series, we're going to discuss flashing, or more commonly known as weatherproofing. Association boards are often faced with maintenance issues revolving around water intrusion. A majority of the time, this water intrusion is the result of failing flashing or improperly installed flashing. Flashing refers to material placed in a joint to prevent water intrusion. Depending on the specific material or the joint requirements, flashing can be exposed or concealed. Concealed flashing can be rigid metal or flexible material, while exposed flashing is generally metal. Note from the illustration the chimney flashing. Note the valley flashing in the valley of the roof. Note the vent pipe flashing and the flashing around the window. Flashing can be placed anywhere on a home area that would be subject to water intrusion. In addition to the illustration, doors, decks, porches, dryer vents, exterior electrical outlets would all have flashing to help prevent water intrusion. The most common metal materials for flashing are aluminum, galvanized steel, and copper. Flexible flashing can be a number of materials, with the most popular being vinyl and rubberized asphalt. The different materials that compose flexible flashing vary in use for climate and exposure to ultraviolet lights. Unlike metal flashing, flexible flashing materials are generally not well suited for direct exposure to the elements. Faulty flashing or improperly installed flashing can not only fail to prevent water intrusion, it can actually direct water into the structure.